Ken here from Ultralight, and I hope you're having a great day. I know I am. So right now we have a new part, and this is under my happy shirt I'm not wearing. Anyways, we have a new part, which is a TR-MB for monitor bracket. But what I'm going to show you really here is the TR-MBK, which is the monitor bracket kit. And the monitor bracket kit comes with the monitor bracket, a quarter 20, and a special T-knob that we have here. And the whole idea of this is when it's mounted under our new sled, you can see how you can mount a nice big monitor, and it works out really good. So anyways, I also have that in person here. So this would be the setup. Now this isn't any monitor that you could take underwater, but I figured it gives you a good idea of what it would actually look like. So the bracket mounts to the bottom, and there is a slot here, and by taking this and twisting it, you can move this ball mount real easy, front or back, depending upon how much space you might need for your monitor, as you can see. And so if you use like this is our CSL-SK2 clamp, which is the CSL clamp with cutouts on both sides. So I just want to put it here to show you. But you can see this gives you a lot of length. If the monitor was here, if you wanted to have a longer clamp, you could, to move that monitor a little higher if you wanted. The other cool thing though too is if you use this clamp and you wanted to, let's say, film somebody as you're moving in the water this way, but you want to see your monitor, you can take this, you can angle it, you could do whatever you need to. Let's say you want to do something like that, mount it away. You can actually look at that while you're moving through the water and filming. Everybody who has these setups, they get them perfectly neutral. So they're basically just floating in the water column, and they don't even have to put their fingers on it, basically. So other than that, that's a really cool new part we have. The TR-MBK, it goes with the TR-SLDK kit, and you can really do some wonders with this. And right now I'm experimenting with my own personal camera on a smaller version of this. So we'll get back to that whenever I get that figured out. Other than that, happy filming and have a great day.